Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to the Airbnb app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a gift card to the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments, then click on Credits and Coupons. So here, you're going to see the option to add a gift card. So click on Add Gift Card. Then this is where you enter the PIN number of the gift card and then click on Redeem Gift Card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a gift card onto the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.